What's up, guys? I'm Adrian from adoriani.com, and today we are going to talk about how to set up a reverb. One of the most used effects in mixing is the reverb. Rooms, halls, plates are some variations of this powerful tool. There are multiple ways of using reverb in Pro Tools. One of them is to insert the reverb plugin directly on the track you want to put the reverb. You can control the amount of reverb applied by using the dry-wet knob. Most reverb plugins nowadays have the dry-wet knob, that is the dry-wet mix. So let's insert a reverb on our audio track. On the Insert section of the track, insert a Reverb plugin. Let's say I want a medium hall reverb. Select Medium and maybe a 2 seconds decay. Some low pass filter. Let's play it. For me, it is too much reverb. Now, to control the amount of reverb applied, you should tweak the dry-wet mix button. That's more like it. Now, if you use this technique, you'll have to insert a reverb plugin on each track you want with reverb. Of course, there is a much easier way when you want to use the same reverb settings for different tracks. This is the technique I'm using most of the time. So, in order to use this, you have to create a stereo aux input track, which we will name Reverb. Then, we'll insert a reverb in the insert slot of the aux track. Put the gain at 0 dB. As in the first case, we'll select a medium hall of 2 seconds, and we'll leave the dry-wet slider at 100% wet. To apply some reverb on my audio track, I have to send some signal to the aux reverb track. But before that, we should select an input for the reverb track. So let's select bus 1 and 2. In order to make things easier, you could rename the bus 1-2 into reverb by left-clicking on the bus 1-2 and rename it. Now, when you send the audio track to the reverb, it's much easier to see the right send bus. So, when you insert the reverb send, this fader appears. By using this, you can control how much effect you apply. So, let's see. Now, if you want to apply some reverb on another track, simply send it as we already did, and send the level or the amount of reverb applied by using the send fader. Depending on the session you are working on, you could use only one instance of reverb for the entire session, or you can set up different reverbs personalized for vocals, keyboards, synths, and so on. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and visit us at adoriani.com. Until next time, stay cool and make great music.